Hope your day's going well. Back again with another video. This time we're going to be building the Chevy 2500 ZR2 Byson, and that's going to be the fancy one. It's not actually called fancy one. I'm going to actually look at what it's called in a bit. So vehicles, let's get there. Those are trucks. Yeah, I was sort of considering the next direction here for this channel, and I was contemplating perhaps voice-overing the videos to keep them shorter. That is still a consideration, but for some reason I just feel like it's more natural with me with me making these decisions live, and sort of my reactions are more natural, but I'm open to what the viewers think. I would try it, and I think one of these videos I'm gonna edit and actually try voicing over, making it much shorter, and see how that goes as well, if I like it. So always open to new things, So we're gonna build on price. And again, I've already said this many times, my opinion about the Chevy website. I think it's absolutely fantastic. One of the better ones for sure. Definitely not definitely not. Okay, Dodge website is not good. But this is one of the better ones in my opinion. So we're gonna build and price a 2500 because why not? To me it's just, that's what I would get if I, not for any particular reason. And if we go to, we need to choose our standard crew cab, standard bed. That's good. Four-wheel drive sounds good to me, and we're gonna go with high. No, we came here for this. Yeah, the ZR2 is what we're gonna be building today, and this truck, I just want to say, it looks amazing. Like, for some reason I prefer the look of the Chevy ZR2 to the GMC, to its GMC counterpart, because well, I don't really know why. I just think the appearance is just more menacing, The GMC has this luxurious look that the Chevy just looks like an absolute beast, But that's just my personal opinion. They both look great, and you can't go wrong with either one of them. I'm not saying the Chevy's better than these. Honestly, to me, they're the same vehicle. I really don't like. Chevy and GMC are coming so close together that honestly I'll just buy a Chevy because it's cheaper. But I digress. Let's do what we came here to do. I'm trying to make these videos much shorter, so, but I always go way offline, way off of what I'm supposed to be talking about. So yeah, continue with ZR2, and four-wheel drive ZR2. Then we can go to exterior, as in, oh my god, this looks perfect already. The red looks great. Personally, I'm not a big fan of red, but with this sporty, build, it just fits the vehicle. And I know Chevy red is stunning, so but for the sake of just, we always do silver, but honestly the red was good. I'm just gonna run through a few colors here to give you guys what this looks like. This looks like absolute menacing. Like, if you saw this coming at you down the street, you would tuck your tail and run the other way, if White Summit looks like a White Summit, honestly, that's Brilliant name. As in, I've done too many grays, so I feel like, you know, white or black is the only way to go here. And I mean, red or black, and red to me just suits this so well. I don't think I've selected the engine options yet, but 70k in this day and age seems too promising. So I don't think this would have the Duramax, but I could be wrong, you know. Please surprise me, you know. But I know that these heavy duty trucks are currently, they're just insanely priced, you know, so I know this is an insane price, yes, you know, but I think it's supposed to be more if it with a diesel, because I would like to fit it with a diesel, because it's just more, feels more menacing. I don't know, you know. Yeah, so the AEV pack is what we are gonna add as well. Yeah, that is something that I do want to add, because they didn't give us the option to add it from here. Or maybe they did, but I didn't select it. And yes, this is why it's not crazy yet. Yeah, the Duramax is what I actually wanted. So exterior doesn't change. Wheel, we're gonna switch to the AEV pack. Again, trying to keep this time quick pace through this, you know, so that I can. And then, oh, you only get one option for the AEV, easy. You know, it looks pretty good in my opinion. I don't know if you're allowed to move this around in some way. Yes, you can. So, you know what, this not too shabby, you know, it's pretty good. I think we're doing well here. The interior of these Chevy trucks, I've said it 1,000 times by now, much better than Ram. The way things are structured, you know, Ford and Chevy are doing a pretty decent job. I can't wait to see the new Ram trucks. I know they just revealed the new Ram 1500s. They look great. I wish they did a little bit more updating and shifting around, changing a little things with the interior, but the interior still look great, so it doesn't really bother me that much. But the 2500s definitely need some major changes for the Ram. But this is just great. I think most people will be happy with this. So for packages, this truck already comes with pretty much everything, so I'm not gonna add much here. Especially this is based on preference on what whoever's gonna use with the truck, you know, like snowplow prep, gooseneck, hitch package, interior like, yeah, these are just. I feel like this, the Byson especially, already comes with so much. I wouldn't want to. I'll be afraid of adding or taking away things, you know. So, so overall, I'm just looking through, making sure that has everything that I would or wouldn't want. Already, I can see myself adding a folding cover because, you know, I just feel like trucks just look better with that, you know. So next, so just to give you a quick recap on the truck, I will show you the finished product. You know, this might be one of my quickest videos yet, but Dreams Pack ZR2, we didn't really do anything. Just ordered the truck as it came, and it looks, like I said, I just prefer the look of this to the GMC but it's not like by a huge margin. I don't know, something about the front end especially. See, I prefer the front end of the Chevy, and I prefer the back end of the GMC, you know. So it's weird, because the front end of the Chevy just looks more menacing, you know, especially with the ZR2. You know, I love the rectangle shape of the grill here. It just looks humongous. And the rear end of the GMC, I think it's the best out there right now, like in terms of like looks, in the heavy duty segment. Those GMC tail lights are better than anything else, you know, out there. So, but this doesn't look bad. It's not a bad looking truck. This is just nitpicky stuff here. You know, overall, this is just a amazing spec. I feel like most people will be happy with this, as long as you're good with the gas mileage, paying the gas and the servicing fee, and you have a bunch of money with you. It's a dream truck, you know. So, anyway, thanks for watching. I'm sorry that this was much quicker paced, but I'm learning, and I'm also trying to improve my, well, I don't know about improve, but I'm trying to see what I can do to fix certain things that I noticed with my last videos, and, you know, just learning in the process. So I hope, just let me know, you know, and also subscribe, and just tell me what you want to see. I will try my best to provide. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and yeah, have a good one. Thank you.